Fear is a tool for control. The state, religion, company, and the media are using fear to program, control, and manipulate us. A religion iti, if you do not believe in God, you will burn in hell. Hell, I say. Hell, young tol. They use the fear of burning in hell to force you into conforming and believing whatever it is they want you to believe, young tol. If mengati, let's take back the land. No mutozoti. So fana Zimbabwe, young tol. They use like Zimbabwe, like the fear of being like Zimbabwe, the fear of what happened in Zimbabwe is used to keep us intact. Young tol. It's not a mistake. Zimbabwe. It was meant to happen to instill fear. Giti, young tol. So the state uses fear to create a division. A company or government create employment izothi ama-foreigner anthathela imisebenzi, uyangithola, creating the fear leyo ukuthi labantu laba abokufika yibo ama-actual enemies, uyangithola. During apartheid, the apartheid regime used to say ukuthi the ANC ama-communist